second day in Flagstaff. Dave had to drive to Phoenix to pick up his son Brandon. So on the way, he dropped us off at the nearest dog park. Rocco wasn't too interested with playing with other dogs and was just sticking beside me like a Velcro. I guess he knows they are not his usual playmates. So we hiked in the trails of the park instead. And after a while, we walked back to the hotel. He got his exercise.
Rocco, stay here. Come. Hey. All right, let's go. Come here, Rock. Going, bud. Keep going. Straight, straight, straight. Take us home. Uh-oh. Hi. It's okay. Say hi.
He's shyer than you are.
You know where home? You know where our bedroom is? Huh? I know, we're close, right? Okay, we're almost there. We're almost in the room. Here we are. We got it. We got it. All right. Wait, boy. You wait. Leave it. Come on. Oh, no. Okay. Come here, buddy. All right.
Beautiful dog.
Yeah, thank you.
What, 2 years old, 1 year old?
One.
Almost one.
And mine got big pretty quick. Wasn't he cute to see the nose grew right in front of me. Oh, I have a blue heeler, but still the same body type, and they start out real cute and small,
Yeah.
all fuzzy, and then
They change. They
boom,
morph.
boom. It's like,
Don't jump, Rocco.
Holy cow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's nice.
Quite the canyon.
I'd like to live down there. Just throw a little
I'm
rope
sure
ladder over the side.
It must be cold.
Look at that, Rocco. You see it? Look at that. What do you think of that?
Come on, Rock. Stay out of the way.
Hey.
What is that? Didn't you have that one
Little
just like that?
arrows.
Right?
Yeah, I got one of those. Those flutes. This is not an arrow. I think this is more of a...
But it's just decor. Not this.
You're okay. And they also give you good dreams as well, too.
Really?
Keep away the nightmares.
These
Copper
are all
there.
beautiful, well made.
Thank you.
Interesting stuff.
I appreciate you letting me know. How's it going?
Good.
Doing well.
Just a different vantage point. So it's amazing how these trees grows in the rocks, right?
Yeah. They're slow growing trees. And they don't seem like they need very much
Water.
water or even dirt.
And they grow big.
20 acres right on a cliff.
I'm just looking at some of
these sections over here, like what could possibly make those form. They kind of look like those underwater volcanic spires.
I'd say over time it's just digging deeper with the river.
Yeah.
It's just carving it.
And the water just stopped. Now there's no more water. It would be nice to see water flowing down there. And you can hear the water, right? Oh, the sun is so nice. Do you still know how to play the flute, babe?
I never knew how to play the flute
Why did you have a flute?
because it was cool. So I bought it. How about that guitar playing, Dave?
A little bit. I'll make time.
Oh, with me over here. Stop that.
Silly.
This is so nice. Oh my god. It's like a valley. Oh, wow.
Is that a Doberman?
It is.
So cute. I love when their ears aren't curled. They look so cute.
Yeah.
You don't think a puppy.
They look less mean,
Yeah, they do.
but I like the mean, pointy
Yeah,
look.
either way, they're cute. Hi, beautiful. You're so cute. Oh my gosh, beautiful dog.
It's amazing.
Double back.
I think we're gonna go through there, babe. I think this is the road where it's like zigzag. So it goes like that, and then it goes there. Does it have smell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If this is juniper, you know what liquor they make out of this?
Gin.
Yeah.
You missed. I didn't actually know that, huh?
I didn't think anything.
And I got bored one day and I wanted to figure out where most liquors came from. Scotch and brandy are both a different type of whiskey, so you can almost put those in the same category. Those are made from barley and wheat and different such. Beer's made from hops. Rum is made from, it's actually a byproduct from the sugar making process. Made from molasses. Vodka's made from potato. I can go on.
Tequila.
Agave.
Mm-hmm.
Can you take a picture of us?
Sure.
Hey, we're already here. Come on.
Don't ask me to smile. Because it ain't gonna happen.
Hey, bud.
Here's the first one.
That works. Thank you.
There's another one that I took that was a little bit less in the sun.
Yeah. You're like a Santa Claus now. Almost.
I'm working on it. I got till Christmas.
Oh my god, that's so scary. Just nice to sit out here. I don't know where the sunset. I think you can see the sunset from here. Be nice. What kind of pine?
Ponderosa pine. I like the smell of that. Here,
Yeah,
smell.
I like it. Smells like Christmas.
Don't eat. Just smell.
I don't think he's quite figured out that some things that smell good don't quite taste good.
That doesn't taste like treat.
And some things that smell bad actually taste good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like his
This
stinky
is a real
bone. Like his stinky rawhide bone.
No, I was thinking more like blue cheese.
Oh, there's water.
Let's see that. Rocco would love
He's gonna play in the water.
You're gonna do more than drinking. I'm making hot.
I wonder how cold it is.
It does flow a little bit. He's
I think
swimming.
it's cold because I could see his hesitation. It's got to be cold.
Is it?
It's cool.
You like the water, bud? Go, go, go play. Be careful.
Don't break the leg.
Don't push. Don't push him, Rock. It's gonna fall again.
Oh, this is my rock. Get off my rock.
Be careful.
Rocco, this is my rock. Rock. He's got his rock. I got my rock.
Which one? One over here in the marsh?
Yeah. What kind of tree is this? Or that one? Or this?
Is that a bay leaf? A laurel?
Are you asking because you
Think
want
about a water
us?
tree.
Is it?
Watercress?
No, water tree.
Can you give me a clue?
What tree loves water?
Willow tree?
Willow. This is a white willow.
These are very young willows. I've only ever seen a full-grown willow.
There's different willows. This is the white willow.
Woo! Good job, buddy.
Are you having fun? I think he thought he had a fish. And that's it.
I should give him a willow branch and let him chew on it.
For
I
what?
bet he won't because it's bitter. But I'm going to try it because it's what I did.
Be careful, babe.
Here. Chew it. Chew it good. All right, then. I think our work is done here. He wants to see the babbling brook.
Nothing there, bud? Nothing there, bud?
My rock. Let's go, boy.
Careful. You're gonna get water. So they just go here and fill their water? Where does that come from, though?
It's a spring, probably. Comes out of the ground. I know about it. She knows.
First 15 minutes free. Let's just do
I don't think
An
we
hour?
need more than an hour.
Yeah.
Right? An hour sound right?
Just insert. Okay. Do you want gelato?
Maybe coffee.
Coffee?
Is there
See, best organic coffee. You want that?
Yeah. Okay.
Strawberry banana.
I guess a strawberry banana smoothie.
And we'll just do a 16-ounce Americano.
And then a 16-ounce Americano. Oh, could I get some heavy cream in the coffee?
Hey, Rocco. Hey, you.
Rocco.
Don't you ignore me.
What is that, buddy? Cookies. Do you like that song, babe? Delilah. What is that? Rescue? Oh my God, what is that? Is it alive?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Looks like
I met a
one.
dog.
Lamb's shops.
That's his favorite shop.
Crystals.
Rock shop.
Wow.
That's why I have this here.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Do you believe in rocks?
Huh?
Do you believe in the power of rocks?
No. No. They're inanimate objects.
It has energy. Right?
I have energy. Where is he?
He's still inside. I think he likes rocks. He might have bought one.
Are we gonna go over there and eat Mexican food? Because they have an outdoor eating area.
Yeah. Let's go here first.
Well, you gotta go get your sidekick out.
What you got?
I got a rock.
What kind of rock is it?
What kind of rock is it?
It's obsidian.
What is
Yeah.
that?
Obsidian is a volcanic type of
It's kind of
rock.
like a glass rock.
Does it have energy or what kind of?
You can
Depends
make
on how much you believe in that sort of thing.
you can make good knife.
They really grab the obsidian for any type of spiritual purposes. Obsidian is a really cool stone.
Though it was a brief reunion, we treasure moments like this. Who knows when we can have little gatherings again? And we are just thankful for the conversation, hugs, laughter, even the silence. Simply the time to be present to one another. It is a wonderful gift to exist. Until then, live life to the fullest. Royal Highness.
I do think it's a great idea to be covering this. I'm really glad we are.
Ang swerte mo naman.
Are covering it as well because they're also
Naka-queen size bed. Ang sosyal. Ang sosyal mo, sir. Hello. Okay, bud. Go back to bed. Go back to sleep. It's alright. Enjoy your bed, buddy. Oh, yes, I know. I know it was so hard traveling. You deserve it. Alright. So lucky.
Get more to your door with DoorDash.
How'd you like your bed, buddy boy? He's got his own bed. He's a very spoiled doggy. What are you doing, buddy boy? Are you so comfortable in your bed?